you not try hard. Them girls them not pretty in a real life. You pretty on the gram and you pretty in a real life. Your body look good, set right.
What's going on, everyone? Wagwan, how is it going? Yo, I'm a feel for white, so yo, what's going on? It's been forever that I do an actual vlog. So this is a day that I'm doing a vlogging. I'm just into the thrift store actually looking at a few things because I want to do a few DIY. So I'm just look at a few things I have in mind to do. One is a ring light. So I look at wreath, if I'm pronouncing that good. I look at wreath for do a DIY ring light because I need more lighting when I do my recording them. So I'm just in a the thrift store trying to see what they have here. And yeah, see if I can get anything. Yo, the lighting, yeah, this is better. This is what I call lighting. Yeah, so I say, yeah, don't worry about my hair, you know, it's a mess right now. Whatever, I'm just drop off my son at school, preschool. So yeah, man. And thank you everyone for supporting me. I quickly glue sticks. So Leo preschool always needs glue sticks. So basically I always need to have some glue sticks to take to school. So I am gonna see $2.99. This is, I think, the same price at Walmart because I bought this pack at Walmart before. I think it's the same price if I could remember. But anyway, since Walmart already put away their school supplies, I'm just gonna grab this. Oopsie. And if you guys don't know already, I love my little thrift store. I love going to thrift store and finding things different and creating DIYs and stuff like that. So I decided to say, you know what, I'll create some DIY and put it up. So guys, yeah, I'm still in a thrift store. So I just do a pass through, and sometimes because I always need scrub for work, I always look for like different. It's not just a plain color. I like to like change it up a little bit. So look on that scrub here, yo. Isn't this cute? Yo, I love this more than Despicable more than Home. I love it, yo. Yeah, and it's brand new. There's a tag on it, if you can see. So they was donated here, and you can see it even have that special tag on it. So it's brand new. So I like to go for things if I see them brand new and them reasonable. Yeah, this is actually $10. Yeah, look on probably like either almost $30 for one of these in Walmart because I think this is like from Walmart. And they have some other ones. They have gray looking one, and it's brand new as well. See the tag. Remember, see, I can see the price. See, if this thing will focus for you to see it. Anyway, it's $23. Originally it's $23 and they're selling it for like $10 here, so half price, and it's brand new, same way. So I think to buy 2 of them, all right, because I always like to have different type of scrub and have a couple new ones just in case I have some kind of, you know, special occasion at work or something, you know, and kind of change it up, whatever. So that's what I'm gonna do. Buy about 2 of them. I don't see any pants yet. I'm gonna look if I see any pants, but that's about it. Yeah, man. Oh, I think I see one pants. Okay, guys. So I didn't get what I wanted at the other thrift store. Yo, this light in there is something else, right? So yeah, I didn't get what I wanted at the other thrift store. So I'm at Valley Village, the thrift store, here to see if I can get anything. I'm already, yo, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Yo, them have out Christmas tree already. So that Christmas stuff, bunch of Christmas stuff over here. So there's actually 40% off active wear for club members, which I am. So I'm gonna stroll through there and see quickly if they have anything. But yeah, I'm just gonna see if I find anything here that I want. Really hoping to find the wreath though. I'm keeping that all my hand on that. Yeah, but let's see what we find here. Yo, look at that big picture, y'all. See if you can see it. That's huge. And it's for, I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, probably look upside down to you guys, but it's $12.99. $12.99. And I need a big vase, whichever one you call it. I need one of those big ones. Is this what I think it is? One of these ones you can do zucchini. No, it's a totally different thing. This is a peeler. I don't want the thing that I don't like about Valley Village. Yeah, the thing that I don't like about Valley Village is compared to the other thrift store, them have tax on their things. Them get it donated to them and them sell it back sometimes for a ridiculous price. Alright, let's go around the other side and see if we can find a place. Sorry. Whoa. There's a lot of people in here today. So them have wreath, but them have wreath, but them just have the decorated ones. I want the empty ones. I just want the empty one. Excuse me. Do you have you seen any with just the base only? No.
This is what I'm seeing thus far. So I have more to unpack, so
Okay.
I don't know if I'll see one.
Okay. Alright. Thank you. I guess I don't have any. Anyways, let's look if we see any vase. What is what? Them not know. Oh, here we go. We have some vase here. Yo, some people are so weird that when you're on camera recording. Yo, look at this. Isn't this nice? It's nice, right? But big ones that I want, like bigger than this. Let's see. I want one that's bigger than this, and I can't seem to find any. Can't seem to find any. Okay guys, so I am back at Village Square. They didn't have what I wanted, but there's a PS3 that I'm gonna purchase for hubby, so I'm back here. But I had to stop and go pick up Leo from preschool. Say hi, Leo.
Hi.
Or say how are you?
How are you?
Isn't this so cute? So they just had a lockdown in the store because there was a child missing, so I was outside standing up for a while, which is good that, you know, them do that to find. Yeah, so they found the child.
Mommy.
I think he's about 4.
Mommy.
Yes, Leo? You're so silly. Yeah, so they make an announcement that they found the child and unlock the doors. So that's pretty good of them to lock the doors so the child doesn't get out. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I'm here picking up what I need and then I'm out. Not getting what I actually initially not getting what I actually came for, but whatever. It's all good. What's going on, people? My finished shop. So I went to the thrift stores and, you know, I went to pick up Leo from preschool and stuff like that. So that's pretty much half a day done. And I made, I don't know if you can see around there, so I make a video just a while ago about, you know, a mini U-Haul video. Is it recording? Yeah. Yeah, I just make a mini, you know, U-Haul. U-Haul. What the heck am I always say U-Haul? See, man, guys, anyway, I just make a mini haul video of the thrift store, going to the thrift store and getting a few deals. So I'll probably put that video on it's gonna be a separate video. Yeah, it's way too long. I'm just gonna cut it shorter and make it be a separate video. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm not doing anything much later more than cook dinner. edit some videos, and that's about it. So I'm just gonna end the vlog. Me just get in it. I'm sorry, mega in it. Me know you like hang out with me. Me know. You not have to tell me. But you know, me just get in it soon. Outside still lights up, yes. I just like after almost 3 o'clock now. But me don't have anything really I do later. So I'm just gonna end the vlog. Anyway, if you have not subscribed, me don't know where y'all wait for. Why me look over this though? Please don't know. Anyway, just a look at no reflection. Anyway, also remember, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Me don't know where y'all wait for. I thought we were friends. Anyway, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up now. If you think this is a good video, give me a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know how it go. Right, so I'll see you guys in our next vlog. Probably make one once a week or something. If I have something going on, I'm gonna try to vlog for you guys, right, and do other things as well. But there's a lot more food vlogs gonna come, a lot more food videos coming as well, so look out for those. And till next time, I'll see you again later. I'm out.